So the season of Duel Destinies is be upon us. So this season will be going down from December 3rd, 2024 at 10 a.m. to March 4th, 2025 at 10 a.m. local time. So let's hop into it so I can tell you all the details, like the
I wanna be the very best, like no one else.
So, community days. So, December Community Day will be December 21st and 22nd. The January Community Day will be January 5th. There will be a January Day Community Day Classic, which will be January 25th. And February Community Day will be on February 9th. There will be themed stickers. Pretty cool, look at them right there. Alright, so let's go over the Pokemon that appear in the wild. So for the cities, it will be Magneton, Porygon, Snubbull, Gulpin, Audino, Clink, Litwick, and more. For the forest, it will be Butterfree, Scyther, Sunkern, Nuzleaf, Staravia, Phantom, Fomantis, and more. Mountains will be Clefairy, Rhydon, Shuckle, Pupitar, Magnemite, Galarian Sunfisk, Nianfu, and more. The beaches and water will be Poliwrath, Galarian Slowpoke, Paldean Wooper, Lotad, Pelipper, Baluzol, Finnegan, and more. Or Finian, not Finnegan. Southern Hemisphere will be getting Lapras, Gligar, Treecko, Torchic, Mudkip, and Deerling, the summer form, and Goomy, and more. Northern Hemisphere will be receiving Absol, Turtwig, Chimchar, Piplup, Shinx, Gabite, Deerling, winter form, and more. Go over the eggs, because they're getting a bit of a shake-up. So, 2-kilometer eggs will be Psyduck, Swablu, Bonsly, Larvesta, Leo, Wimpod, and more. 5-kilometer eggs will be Clamperl, Blitzel, Inkay, and more. 7-kilometer, these are where you guys want to stay for. Alolan Meowth, Alolan Grimer, Hisuian Voltorb, Hisuian Quillfish, Galarian Corsola, Basculin, Red Stripe in the Eastern Hemisphere, and yes, it will get it shiny. Basculin, White Stripe in the Western Hemisphere, and yes, it will also get it shiny. Adventure Sync. When in ever have we got Adventure Sync 7-kilometer eggs? Something new. Keep it up, Pokemon Go. Skarmory, Munchlax, Riolu, Tyrant, Amora, and more. And 7-kilometer eggs from Mateo, Gift Exchange, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Corsola, both forms of the white and blue striped masculine, Eastern Hemisphere and Western, Pancham, and more. There will be a Dual Destiny Expedition access every month of the thing, just like what we just had for the Pokecoin Expedition thing there. Alright, so let's go over the Field Research Breakthrough Box, because there's a good shakeup. So in the Field Research Breakthrough Box, you can obtain Alolan Raichu, Pancham, Purfru, Hisuian Abalug, Jangmo-O, and Frigibax, dude. Frigibax. That is awesome. We have Max Pokemon debuting, Gigantamax Lapras, which will be getting a raid day, Dynamax Krabby, and Dynamax Machop. So, on the weekends, we will be getting the Shadow Regis and 5-star raids. Shadow Regirock, Registeel, and Regice, which all three of them can be shiny potential for you. So, good luck on 10 kilometers are Dredagon, Dreepy, Charcadet, and more. And the Adventure Sync 10 kilometers will be Esper, Turtonator, Jangmo-O, Charcadet, Frigibax, and more. Alright, event bonuses. Are you ready? 1 additional free raid pass per day by spinning Photo Disc. Earn extra Stardust from Team Rocket battles and extra Stardust from gifts. What in the flying heck season bonuses are those? But that's all of the details for the next season. Let me know in the comments what you guys are most excited about. There will be the Unovian Tour too. So I will do a video on that when we have the full details. So if you like this video and want to see more Pokemon Go content, make sure you subscribe, like, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.